Why does a business need a tool like the Touchstone Business System? To begin with, let's start with why a business needs operating procedures and job descriptions. There are 3 key reasons. The first, so you can do what you do consistently. If you do what you do consistently, then you can effectively measure the results of what it is that you do. And if you are measuring what you do, you can get better and grow. If you're not doing things consistently, there's no point in measuring. The second, so you can effectively delegate what it is that you do, so you can create a replicatable result through others. And the third, compliance. If you're a firm that needs to be ISO compliant, you need your processes documented to maintain your accreditation. But you don't just need your systems documented. You need a way to find them easily so they can be implemented and innovated. So why then does a business need a tool like the Touchstone Business System? Why can't they just use 3-ring binders or store all of their processes on a local area network or in Dropbox or in Google Docs or in Microsoft SharePoint? What's the value of Touchstone? What you'll find, and we've had 17 years of experience to understand this is true, is that 3-ring binders or saving them on your computer or in a document sharing application just doesn't work. Why? Because processes are always more complex than what you initially believed. For example, let's say you're writing a sales process. You begin by writing down the detailed and sequential workflow. Do this, then do that, then do this, etc. It's what we call a work plan. That's all there is, right? A clearly written document outlining all of the steps to take. So you share it with your sales team, and while you're training them in the new documented procedure, you think, it would be great if I had a checklist to track each step of the sales process so I could see where my sales team is on each of their projects. So you create a checklist, and now your sales process has a work plan and a checklist. Then, as you're listening to your sales team deliver the new sales process to their prospects, you realize that they're all saying different things, and some of them are saying great things, and others are saying things that are not so great. So you think, I should create a script of the best things to say and then workshop it with all of my sales staff. And that way, everyone will be performing well. So you write a script, you workshop it with your team, and now your sales process has a work plan, a checklist, and a script. And then you realize your sales staff really needs a proposal document, an easy and consistent way to generate proposals for the prospects quickly and efficiently. So you create a proposal template in Microsoft Word and an Excel spreadsheet for calculating a consistent and accurate estimate. And now your sales process has a work plan, a checklist, a script, a Word document, and a spreadsheet. And then you think it would be very helpful to create a training video, a screen recording of the process of creating the proposal, and a sample audio so they can hear what a great presentation sounds like. So you see, a process is rarely as simple as just a clearly written document outlining the steps that need to be taken. That's not all there is. There is always so much more. And so given there's so much more to it than just a document, how do you organize these 7 different elements for the same process? How does your sales staff find them when they need to use them? How do you find them when you need to edit them? And how do you keep them current to be sure that everyone is always using the most current version? If you want to systemize a business, you need a way to organize all of the elements of the documented processes. And you need a way to make them easily accessible so everyone can find them when they need them. The Touchstone Business System is the tool that makes this easy. Touchstone gives you a method for writing your processes consistently throughout your company. A way to store and organize the processes that are written, a way to track that each employee has been trained in each process, a way to manage the implementation of each process as well as the employee's job description, and a way to track and monitor the results of the processes that are being followed. We've solved the puzzle with the Touchstone Business System, a web-based tool used to consistently create and easily implement all of the operating procedures and job descriptions in a business. Click here to schedule a demo.